And if we can anticipate something like this, if it is a fractal consolidation that becomes a bearish one, that makes sense because the 4 deviation is a 44.5 deviation is really close to the lows here. So if this would be a real reversal, retrace here, that makes sense that we're gonna trade back to the opening range or something below this low to take this liquidity here. Sorry, I'm back, guys. I was getting some water. Yeah, I would enter two more here. Let's see if you're gonna retrace one more time to that after the 11 and add two more here so we can cover this loss very quickly. I'm going leave to take some water and I miss, but it's okay. Even if I can add two more, we probably gonna trade lower here, and this level become profitable, and because we most like to see price here, so that's great. It's okay, and save time to need to call the broker as to restart the balance for yesterday's balance. Come on, fill my order. No way. No way, it didn't fill my order by one tick. And now fill. That was a good one. Look, one tick above the level. And if you trade lower, close to the one deviation here, we almost still in profit. And then I take some partials below here, maybe below this low, and the other ones I hold to the opening here. Let's see. Yeah, I like this rejection two times at the 0705 level. That's good. Now we need to that for me is the change state of delivery here, because that was this last swing low that, sorry, here, that was the last swing low that makes the highest high. And when we close below this level, for me this is a change state of delivery. So now we have this retrace, and we probably gonna see a lower price soon. Maybe the couple minutes of the few minutes of the 11 a.m. manipulation. Many times we see 10 minutes manipulation of the hour, so around 11:10. But because of this price action, maybe we start moving faster, maybe on 11:03 or 11:05 to the downside. Because this is side something I would like to see. We fail to close above this lower quarter, and we start trading lower from here. Like I said before the opening today. Now we touch the 86 level. We take the highs. Yeah, probably start gonna see lower price in a few minutes because now it's 13. So usually 10 to 15 minutes of the manipulation of the hour. So 11 starts here, 11:10 is here, and after 11:10 we start seeing this lower price. So need to start closing below this fractal consolidation range. And if we still closing below and pushing, the first targets close below -1, and if closing below here, that's the next target, and closing below this level, the opening range is the next level. Uh, this is the 4 deviation of this measure here. So let's see. Here we fail to close above this retracement levels. We're pushing higher, but body's closing below the 618 level. So now if you think that's the new range. Yeah. And if you look into our the regulatory in our chart, look, we fail here. We try once. The week trade above, the body closed below. Same here. Tried once. We closed below the level. So for me, is the level that I said I was looking for retracing before the opening. Is this upper quarter here? Yeah, yeah. Let me take a look here. Yeah, like the architect said, yes, couldn't take this high. Nasdaq took this high here, so this is a SMT between the assets. So that's a signature of a retrace reversal level, uh, reversal signature. Sorry, and then we're gonna probably gonna start gonna see lower price in a few minutes. Yes, because yes, it's trading back to the yes, it's trading back to the opening range because it didn't move so far away like Nasdaq did, and because yes, just took this high that was this high here on Nasdaq, but Nasdaq pushed a little bit away, and now we are yes, it's trading back to this opening, so it takes a little while, but Nasdaq has to catch up with this move here. There's the range. Yeah, but now, yeah, now it's, and of course, like I said, 10 to 15 minutes of manipulation of the hour. Now 17. Now start pushing lower. That's what usually happen. And like I said in the previous lives, before we change that direction, like we are having higher price, to change to lower price, uh, we always see some kind of consolidation before we switch direction. So we have this consolidation, and now this one, and we're about to see uh, lower price. And of course, talking about the dealing range again, we are on upper part of the 30 minutes and the hour dealing range. So this is the deep premium. So we're expecting price trading lower at least to 50% of the both ranges, and 50% is around 2.33 and 2.5 of this measure. So at least here, maybe we're gonna trend, we're gonna retrace right now, and if it closes below 2.5, we're gonna trade to the lower quarter of the both range. That's this level here to take this lows. Now is this sell side liquid here. And think about the logic of standard deviations. We touch the 3 deviation of the regular trading hours gap. So when we touch 3, we need to retrace back to 0 and -1. So from here to here, and that's our opening, close to our up. So 0 and -1. So it's from 20,401 to 20,431, and that's here 401 and 430 here, this range, the opening range. And now we can see now the bear seeing into the price, try to take in highs, fail, and breaking the lows. This is start the bearish price action right now, because here we still take these highs. Now we need to not breaking the highs here or here, and start breaking the lows, this low and then this low, and keep pushing lower. And if it is our or if it's this high, we touch the 0786 and fail. And another thing that I saw, uh, we touched the 12 deviation to the upside, and we never close above. So this is I was expecting something around 10 and 12, and we couldn't close above the 12 deviation, because if you close above 16 would be the next target, but since we fail, so now it's we need to target 8, and if close below 8, 4. Yeah, yeah, just now it's going down. For me, I already entered, like added two more here and two more around here. So it was like I would start the short around here, stop loss above the high, and now we're gonna trading back to the opening range like that. Sorry, I added two more here and put a limit where it was around here before. So it was like I was forgetting the one that I had already open. It's like I was shorting around this zone here, and stop loss will be above this high. And now we can take partials and final target something around here on these lows. We can take partials on the opening range high and or this closing range high. I'll take something out here, and maybe I can do like now. So I'll take two out before these lows. That's something below. I'll take two out on here below this low. Is the 50% of the dealing range, and I'll take another two here, and I'll take another two uh, here. So 246, and my final TP below this loss. That's that's the partials I would take in. And of course, if I didn't have this four here, I'll take one, 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 and one, half of the position. Uh, but that's the trade for me right now. Yeah, I mean, you guys. I mean, if someone, sorry, if people that enter here can take the first off on -1, the second TP around 2 or 2.33, and the third TP around 3, and the last one 4. I'm not taking one off from -1 because I had the order filled here, so the -1 I'm still negative. But yeah, to be the more safe trade, take off -1 the first partial on -1 standard deviation here, and the other one can be around 1.5 or 2, can be 2 or 2.33. Maybe I just put this one on the opening range high because maybe you're gonna test this level, but I can do something this a little bit above. Yep, this one. And the next partial on the closing range high, and the last partial here. And of course, I'll see if I trail my stop after I'm in profit here. But for me, that's the next trade. And one thing that we can pay attention here, after we make this retrace, we couldn't take the highs, and now we break initially this low, and now we're breaking this low and this low. So we are in a bearish move right now. Now we touch the upper quarter of the dealing range high. So as soon as we start closing below this level, 50% of the 30 minutes and the 1 hour dealing range is the next target. That should be around here. And this time I'll be in profit. Okay, Alex, bye bye. Sorry for the delay today, and we talk tomorrow. Have a great one. And I'm about to close this live too. I'll wait a few minutes more, but that's the trade. Now we just need to watch the price and manage the stop loss and partials. But for me, that's the short. We're gonna take we're gonna trade at least to the opening range, something around here. Maybe not taking these lows, but something around here for sure. And then I will see, depends how is the price, how can I close, because now I'm about to be in profit again. uh, this is a 15 points away though, so it's fine. Por nada, Vicente, thank you so much for the time. And I guess it's it, guys. I guess I'm wrapping up here because now, I mean, I'm not moving anything different. That's the trade for me. Maybe I just close the trade if I can take on my on my final targets. But as soon as I take my first partials, I'll be looking the price more close, because for me is a win victory, because I was $600 on negative when I saw this, and about to be in profit again. So let's say if I can take these two partials and price starts struggling here, I'll close the trade because it'll be around $500 profit. For me, it's very good. So thanks, Ryan. Thanks for the time. Thank you, Natalia. Thanks, Fernando. Thanks, Triplot. Thank you, Joe. Appreciate your time. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow have live at 9 a.m. again, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank NKB. Thanks, Jess. Thanks, Chido team. Uh, yes, tomorrow. Thanks, Step Up. Bye bye. Thanks, Sam. Thank Quick Whips.